last week, or I think at the end of July or so, there was a new change which placed an injunction on the form I-944, which means that people who were applying for a green card, or that was what it meant at that time, people who are applying for green cards due to the pandemic don't need to submit an I-944. However, like I always tell you guys, immigration law changes so frequently. So as of just a couple days ago, there was another rule that came out about the I-944. It said that the injunction is only applicable to New York, Vermont, and Connecticut. So if you're in any of these 3 states, you will not be required to provide your I-944 for your green card application. But other states nationwide, you're still required to prove that you have not received public benefits and you will not become a public charge in the future. If you're married, you need to include the name of your spouse on your application, include the name of your children, all the dependents, everyone in your household, and also include your health insurance if you have health insurance, because one of the things that the USCIS is looking for is to see whether you are a healthy individual, you're young, or whether you have any underlying health issues that could make you a public charge in the future. Okay, so I just wanted to quickly let you all know that's what's happening. Reach out to me if you have any questions regarding this. If you are currently about to apply for your green card or you started the process, I can help you figure out what you need to do for the I-944. You're also going to need your transcripts too. That's one of the questions on the I-944 about your education, because it checks whether the intending immigrant has studied English or is fluent in English. That also comes into play for your U.S. citizenship. I'm going to make a video one of these days about the U.S. citizenship test. I've been meaning to make that, but different things keep coming up, different updates, and I just have to let you know that first, and then I can make all those other videos. So if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Marriage Green Card. Follow me on Facebook. Just reach out to me. My link is going to be my bio, my Instagram bio, and also in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. So thank you all again for tuning into my channel. Again, my name is Ify, the Marriage Green Card Lawyer. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.